Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse the YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can reset location in Blender. Okay, so let's make some changes here. Let's change. Now to reset. Now to reset the location, what you have to do is to press on your keyboard Alt and G. Now, as you can see, it worked. So that's about it. I hope you learned something, and if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you out. I'll really appreciate it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.